In Percent POS, departments are the foundation of organized sales. They group items for reporting, taxes, and inventory tracking, making checkout smoother and reports more accurate. The Add Department wizard makes creating one simple. Let's walk through it. From the main screen, head to the Manager menu and select Add Department Wizard. The wizard guides you step by step. First, enter the department description. Keep it clear and easy to track in reports, like vegetables, deli, or beer. Next, set the limits. A high limit restricts unusually large transactions, while a low limit helps prevent mistakes with very small amounts. You can also add an age requirement, like 21 for alcohol or 18 for tobacco. The system will automatically prompt for ID when needed. Then move into Department Defaults. Here you decide how items behave at checkout. For example, select as weighed for produce or meat. Use prompt for serial number for electronics. Mark food stamp if the items qualify for EBT. And if the department is high volume, add it as a flip chart item for quick button access. Other options like fractional quantities, open items, or tax settings can be set here as well. If needed, you can also assign a remote printer, so items from this department print directly to the deli, bakery, or prep station. Once everything looks good, click Finish. Your new department is now live and ready to use. Always review your defaults carefully. They control how the department functions and ensure compliance at checkout. That's how you set up a new department in Percent POS.